Ja.
Jetzt machen wir schon, das passt. Red light. Oh, now he cares. Now he cares about the red light. So actually, I'm the only one on the motorbike. 4 of us are sitting in a taxi in front of us, which is following us because the taxi driver refused to drive us, 5 of us. I don't know, it's even like in Shenzhen, you know. Taxi. The taxi driver super didn't care. Oh boy. 小心! Wow, car. So we are on the way. Thanks to Winston. He told me that there's a Korean beer garden place. Another kid is pissing on the sidewalk. Anyway, yeah, Winston told me about this place in Huizhou. You know, you can get 1.2 liter glasses of beer. Finally made it! Garten Bier. Let's see, I hope this place looks pretty closed actually. Some Korean place. I hope they're open, you know. Yeah, Huizhou. So far I love it. It's pretty cool. There you go. Garten Bier. Whatever. Korean place. Thanks to Serpentza and Lawai86. We're here. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Oh my boy. Oh boy. That's beautiful. And you know what? The crazy thing is, like, where you place your beer, it's cooling down your beer at the bottom. So it's pretty awesome. There's actually an isolated copper.
Aufnahmen von so einem besoffenen Typen, der mit der Kamera. Der hat auf jedem Video der mindestens 60 Besucher schon gehabt. Und das K-Pop, wir sollten auch mal eine K-Pop-Party machen. Da gehen bestimmt die China-Bitches voll drauf ab.
Yeah, the restaurant is packed. It's packed. Oh my god. We are happy we get a seat. It's such a pity. Food is good. You know what they serve? They serve pizza with French fries on top. It's Saturday. It's such a pity. I mean, seriously. They.
Was haben wir jetzt zahlen eigentlich für den Spaß?
Foreign coin. It's now 8:30. Hey, we are the only customers in here.
Ich sag dir was. Bis vor einer Woche hatte ich noch immer so, wie heißen die? Pflaster dabei. Aber ich glaube, ich habe die mal irgendwann gleich rausgewaschen. Ich mach das gerade aus. Ey, ich hab was gemacht. Was haben wir denn gerade gemacht?
Wer ist eigentlich hier in der Bar?
Ja.
Da vorne Billardtisch raus, aber das ist
Nee, der ist zu, der ist dahinter, aber der ist zu. Hey,
wir müssen hier unbedingt weg.
Ey, frag mal die Alte, wo hier die nächste Party geht.
Hey, vielleicht sollst du deine Finger runter.
Komm jetzt sicher.
Ich habe
That's genau das Zeichen.
Hey, this is China. Check this out, man. We are at a fucking liquor store. It's 8:30. Actually, it's 8:30. So the people who own this liquor store are 19 years old and they already have a kid because they never use condoms or some birth control. Anyway, so what is this? What is this? So it's a Guling Shenjiu. You know, it's a Guangxi de jiu. So Actually, it's a fucking ripper. So we're gonna drink a ripper now in Huizhou at this store.
Ja, da besudeln wir uns nochmal bei irgendwie. Hey, ich brauche noch so zum Nachdenken.
And hey, the problem is, you know, the buses stop running at 10 from Huizhou to Shenzhen, so we need to party at least till 6 in the morning. But this is China, you know. Gonna make it.
So, mit dem Teil vorfahren?
Das wäre geil.
Ach gut, wir sehen noch ein bisschen was zum schönen Huizhou.
Huizhou Saturday night.
Nightlife.
Yeah, that's the nightlife.
Oh yeah. Ja, ich gehe mal ein bisschen dancen da drüben.
Ja.
Guck mal, eine Huizhou-Gruppe hier.
Wow, it's crazy. It's a huge square here. And there are like stairs over there. Leading to the river.
Der Digga echt mal eine richtige Luft gezeigt.
Ey, hast du gesehen, wie wir getanzt haben? Das war jetzt nichts,
Malte ist schon Naturtalent bei
Ja. Yeah, it's definitely barbecue. Oh my god, like tons of people there. Check this out, man. Chinese people love barbecue. So what do you have? Seems you just order here. Fresh oysters on the grill. 现在我不要，谢谢。Yeah. Check this out. 现在我不要，谢谢。
鸡翅几种啊？
不要了。
欢迎鸡爪鸡肩啊。
So they have everything, you know. And oh my god, how can they provide for that much people? Yeah, man. Now it's Sunday. I stepped in some gum. Great. And besides spending the night at the club, we spent the night at this massage parlor. Yeah, we just woke up, we took a shower. It was how much? 110 RMB per person. So now we're trying to get a taxi and rocking up at the bus station, and then we go back to Shenzhen. Huizhou, man, it was awesome. Still awesome.
Was ist da drin? Niere? Suppe? Niere?
Hier? Nein, irgendwas Fleisch. Wie war das mal?
Yeah, we are close to the bus station. Get something to eat now. This lovely restaurant. You can find them everywhere. Main thing is, these guys, they even have some shots. And Mao Zedong. Back to Shenzhen. Home sweet home. Behind me, Lohu Koan, border to Hong Kong. To my right, Lohu Commercial Center. Super place to get ripped off. Lots of people selling fake Rolex. All this shit, you know. But on the other hand, if you want to make a custom-made suit, you should go there and see a tailor in there and get one done. But yeah, actually I don't like that train station area around here, because on the left here it's the train station, on the right it's the coach station, then as I said, like Loho Commercial Center. Behind us is the border, so a lot of Hong Kong people also coming over to here and buy some stuff, you know. And it's super hot. I guess we have we have like 34 degree area, high humidity. Anyway, we're grabbing a taxi now and then rocking back home.